All right, we're moving both cars, the R8, the Lambo, the ramps. We're gonna see if they can fit in the garage. Thanks Owen, Samir, and Minji for helping me with this. Let's see if we can fit them. This is my room, by the way. It's super messy.
Yeah, it is.
What the fuck?
Oh, those are some heavy ramps.
You're about to crush everything up in there. I hope you know that.
Yeah. Do you need anything? Last call. This is just action.
All right, here's the R8 keys.
Yep. Bye.
Okay, yeah, just
Rip it, right?
We'll just follow you back to the
You
car.
wish.
8,000.
Wanna buy me a new R8?
No, it's a piece of shit.
Bye, neighbors. Sorry. Can't hear you. It's too loud. Thank you. I'll sign out here, man. It's okay. Owen driving the R8, just making sure he's okay. You good?
Yeah.
All right.
You just like wiped that window down a little bit so
Are you good?
Good.
Cool. Let's go.
Smells like the clutch is burning.
I can smell it from here.
Oh yeah.
How was the drive? That's good, that's good. There's the R8. How was the drive? Besides the clutch burning like hell?
Fix your car.
Okay,
Buy it
let's
for-
install these ramps.
I'll buy it for 20 grand.
20 grand? I'll sell it to you for 50.
I'll buy it for 15.
I'll give you 3 grand.
Deal.
For the turbo?
Deal.
Wheel?
What is this?
It's a mirror.
Oh my.
That's fine. Alright, yeah, just drop that there. Perfect.
I don't know.
Oh no.
You have.
Oh no.
Is it gonna go forward? I mean, no. Once you get
Wait,
your tire on
no,
the-
I need to go diagonally in. I can't just back it in like that.
Because you're not in any angle right
I'm
now.
not in any
yeah,
angle.
You need to be, I think you can get it backwards if you have more angle.
Yeah.
Take 37 trying to get the Lamborghini in.
Now straight. Crank it a little. Yeah, that way.
There
Now
good.
you're just
That's
up.
rubber.
No, you gotta keep it cranked.
Straight out.
Okay, wait. Come forward just a little bit. Stop. Now crank it again.
Okay, stop, forward, crank the other way. Don't let him go over the edge, that's all.
Stop.
Okay, crank.
Watch that.
Okay, stop, forward.
Keep coming.
Do that, yeah, keep going. Okay, one more. Slow, slow on the throttle,
Now straight back.
Slow on the throttle. There we go.
This is what it's gonna be like every time he has to take out the Lambo.
This is our life every day.
Okay, now.
God.
No. Now pull the car, lock it, and pull it this way as much as you can. Now stop. Now crank it the other way. Yeah. Keep going. Stop. Now pull lock this way and straight back. Watch. Slow.
Stop, forward.
No, straight. Now crank it. Crank it. Lock it. Now straight. No. Straight.
Yeah, go straight.
Wait.
Time out. Let's make sure your mirrors don't touch.
You're good.
You know what's going to be awkward? He's going to have a date. No one's going to be in the house to help him get the car out.
That to move. Everything else that we leave will be not a problem.
Just go until you hear Samir scream.
Now keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Stop! Whoa! Shake and bake, baby.
Hey, everybody got a
You gotta give it a rev. You have to give it a rev.
Oh fuck.
It is not. Give that shit a rev.
Wait.
Time to sell the house, bro.
However, I did not get severe jump the first time. I did not. No, it's so bad.
It's gonna literally be
It's gonna be so tight.
You're good on either side.
you got clean. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
You got just go straight.
This is actually gonna work. This is gonna work. This is.
Go slow, my.
Hey, put it in neutral. We'll push it.
No, it's not gonna.
You literally need to put it like.
Yeah, but.
Yeah, no. Put it in neutral.
Not gonna go in.
Put it in neutral.
No. So Jack.
Yo, no, that'll fit. No, that'll fit. That'll. I think that'll.
Gotta sell the house.
Wait.
Laptop over here. He's mopping on that a little bit. He's helping out. It's good times.
Good times.
Right.
It is different.
This is literally.
It's okay. It'll settle in a couple of days and you're like, all right, what's next?
Yeah, it's gonna take a month for this to like really hit.
Only a month?
Only a month.
Wait.
Gotta display it like Huracan. I can't believe
Very interesting.
you backfired it off the back wall.
That was very deafening.
I wanted a slight rev out of you. No, you full sent the entire.
I redlined, but the valves were closed.
So we have to do it again. Breaking in the house.
Yes. And on that note, that effectively ends the vlog for today.
Bye.
Bye. Catch you next time.